Look at this place. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Hey, you remember the Watch the Loud House? Yeah? Yeah, it's on Nickelodeon. Here's a Nicktoons. I love Lickin' Loud. Who's Lickin' Loud? And do you know who Lickin' Loud is? Lickin' Loud is so character. It's made sense with 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018. It's awesome. See, he watched it. Yeah, next Friday. What are we do today? I don't know, just... Oh, I have an idea. What to go to Express? I don't think it's a good idea. Hehe, get your nose a bit closer in a store like that? Why? Because he's like some that's awesome. You know, so that's right. Right then. Let's go, hehe. I'll go with you. Ow. You go check these are being repairs of them. Is you still again? Well, no. Good. Now her father says picks it up. Okay. I hope this is getting your best for picks so far. Alright, you 5. It's better to be with a conscience and your pacifism, and you want to be with it and shout out to him. You know that. You just be with yes, I can. You just me. It's just no, it's not it, Drew. This is all we have to offer. Wait, why does it be so fun? Maybe it was so stupid. It's also really can you run? Yes. Run! Bring it on! Yeah. Well, done. Yeah, so, let's go visit to the Lake and Loud. It's just living there. Yeah. What happened? It's just before. Yes, it's like it was responsible for Lake and Loud with a cartoon characters. Well, it speaks with and you just wow, you know, where did it do that? What I know this. What do I do? When he says this idiot, it is with for consciousness. Can you know that?